Tired of leaving those sweet credit card points on the table when you pay your mortgage? Good news! With a little workaround, you can actually use your Bilt credit card to pay your mortgage and rack up those rewards. Let's dive into how it's done, step by step. First, open your Bilt Rewards app and navigate to the Pay Rent section. Even though we are paying mortgage, we will use this section. Select the Pay with ACH option. This is crucial. This generates a unique routing and account number that acts as a proxy. The app will prompt you for information like bank name, account number, and routing number. Treat this like setting up a normal bank account within the Bilt system. It gives you the credentials you need. Now, head over to your mortgage provider's website or app and locate the section where you can add a payment method. Look for options like Add Bank Account or Payment Options. Enter the routing and account number generated by the Bilt app as your new payment method. Make sure you double-check all the details to avoid any errors. Finally, schedule your mortgage payment using this newly added bank account from Bilt. This will trigger the payment to be charged to your Bilt credit card indirectly. And that's it. You're now earning points on your mortgage payments using your Bilt credit card. Enjoy those travel rewards and other perks.